Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to use AliExpress coins for shopping. So first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and open up the AliExpress application into your device and make sure you are signed in into your account. So guys, here at the homepage of AliExpress, just simply tap on sign in on the bottom right. And from here, just simply log in into your account by just simply providing your email and pass. Now guys, once you are signed in, just simply tap on account on the bottom right. And from here, just simply go ahead and tap on coins. Tap on coins tab. So guys, from here, when you log in daily and check out the coin page, you'll be able to collect multiple coins. So from here, just simply tap on collect in order to collect coins. And down below, you should be able to use your coins for a discount over here. So this is all of the products that you will be able to have a discount. So just simply tap on the product that you want to buy, guys. And after that, just simply tap on buy now and just do the usual process when you are buying an item. So just simply select a color, size, and quantity. So guys, from here, as you can see, the discount is already applied. And after that, just simply provide your shipping address, payment method, and from there, just simply place the order. And if this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!